Our garden in spring. A bit windy today, but that's the usual here in Kyneton. It's always blowing a gale. Here's some bromeliads, Erica bush and flower. The Virginia driveway. It's really cyclonic today. Here's a camellia. Frog pond in there. A couple of daffodils at the front. Here's another camellia. Cynthia starting. Magpie singing. New Zealand flax bush. Ericas are still going. And all the Ericas in the Japanese section. Here's a giant ash tree. Had to redo this part of the garden, and the rabbit been doing trouble, so the bottles are there to scare him off. Another Erica. Daffodils and hellebores in flower. And all the little birdies up in the bush. It's a big giant Pandera vine. I can never pronounce it, Pandaria or Pandera or whatever. More daffodils. Camellias. And this is the pet cemetery. All the bulbs. And all the little Tweety birds having breakfast. Of course they fly off and the camera's coming. And tweets, little Tweety birds, little tweets.